welcome back. We're going out of Regatta Point Marina here in Bradenton, Florida, mid-April. It's just a two-man show today. Me and the fishing pro, Jess.
Yeah, we'll see.
He's coming off a good trip from the Alabama coast where he caught some fish, so you're warmed up, ready to go?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, we're gonna try to hit a couple reefs just in Tampa Bay, then come into Terracea Bay and try to get on some snook, redfish, and whatever else we could catch. You ready?
Yeah,
Let's go. Looks like we got a little bit of a line at the bait guide this morning. Just like the grocery store.
But it is looking better.
Good.
Live already?
Yep, we're ready. Here's what we're fishing with today. Got some nice greenbacks from the bait guy there on the Manatee River. Let's do it. I think I had simultaneous bites, Jess.
Do what?
I think I had simultaneous bites.
You got the same bait on both of them?
No, shrimp got bit off instantly. That's interesting. Looks like the bluefish are hitting early today.
Man.
Jesse with one here. I think we're probably over a school of them.
I think I'm just going to change this leader
I
out.
expect to get hit soon. There we go, another little bluefish. They're digging that shrimp. Little grunter. There you go, buddy. It's your lucky day. You're going back. You won't believe what just happened. Jesse had his rod sitting on the bow. Were you tying a rig? Were you tying a rig when that happened?
Yeah.
Jesse was tying a rig. I was going up to the bow, just like right here. His rod was sitting here, and his rod went underwater. Monster hit on the greenback, and some fish is swimming around out here with the fishing rod attached to it. Unbelievable. Oh, shit.
You hit the big bait?
This was a dead greenback. It wasn't even a greenback. It's one of those bigger style baits. Let's see what this is. Oh, it fell off, man. Oh. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Mac. Oh, he's getting in this line, Jess. Oh, crap. Oh, no.
Good. We know we know what our culprit is now. Too bad he didn't have a rod and reel attached to him.
Woo! That's a good size, Mac.
I bet you that's what the other hits were.
Yep. Oh, he's got
some serious teeth.
Yeah, I know.
Put that mouth in the camera.
I know. I need my pliers. It felt like the bite I had earlier. I was hoping that it wasn't gonna bite it off.
What pound test you got on?
All right, 30 pound. Oh no, shit. Oh, let's do that again. Sorry, dude. Look at the teeth on that guy. Yeah, 30 pound test. Nice Spanish mackerel. Let's send him back.
That's what I thought.
There he goes.
Culprits with teeth. Fast
Woo,
swimmers
that was
with
good.
teeth.
There we go.
Oh, that's the same one.
Could be. I don't know. Looks a little smaller. I think the last one was a little bigger. Gotta watch those fangs on these guys. It was like you said, though. It didn't take long.
I would say yours is probably slightly deeper than mine. You got a little more weight.
That was when we were talking about the... Oh, shit, man. Those guys are slimy. Just with the current. Yeah, this guy's probably a little smaller.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Nice Spaniard. There we go, buddy. Whoa! Out here at Rattlesnake Key. Haven't been out here in a while. It's a good snook spot. Feels like something's messing with it. Come on, take it. Oh yeah, buddy. Come on, baby. Look at him go. Get in the boat. Get the net.
Getting it.
Here he comes. Yeah. Nice one, buddy. Woo! Finally got the snook we're looking for.
Were you way up in there?
Yeah. I might get a picture with him too. I'm gonna need my pliers, thanks. Can you get my red pliers that are up top? Oh, I got these here. All right. There we go. Got to get untangled.
Yeah, I'll get a pic.
Yeah, if you get a pick, I'll go to the front. All right, nice snook at Rattlesnake Key. Look at that guy. Say hi, buddy. Thanks for joining us. Nice fish. We're still out here at Rattlesnake. We just reset the anchor. Jesse's in the water right in these mangroves. Right here. I just caught a snook back here. Jesse's turn now.
Oh, man.
Come on, baby. A snook definitely hit it. I think he still might be circling it. He straightened my line out. Are you
Shit.
still there?
We re-anchored. You know what? We almost ended up at the same spot.
Did it do it again?
I guess I may have to drop the anchor closer in.
Oh, yeah. I just put it right in the hole. I got it in that hole for the first time. Come on, Snooky Snook. Where you at? Just shot one deep in the hole here at Rattlesnake. Got a big greenback on. Hoping to get some action. Open the bail. Let him swim a little. All right, Jesse's on. Jesse's got a snook here. All right, bud. See if we can get him up here. All right. Doing the one-hand cameraman and the
Nice.
with the snook. There you go. You've been wanting that one for a while.
Oh, yeah.
Perseverance. There he is.
I tell you, I think they're in here. I don't think we should leave, really.
All right. Jesse's been telling us to stay here. I've been wanting to go, and he's right.
But
Nice.
you got to throw it way up in there.
Yeah, hold him up.
All right. Snooky, baby.
Nice, man. Let's take a look at that guy. Close in.
Snooky,
Look at
snooky.
that. Powerful fish.
Oh, yeah.
Jesse just caught a bird. Oh, no. He had probably his best cast of the day. That dude's pissed. You need help? Whoa. Let's see. Should I bring the knife? Here. Cut it or?
Try to get it out of him, but
Yeah.
he may.
Watch out. Let's see if I got it.
So he doesn't bite you?
Oh, shit. Try to bite me.
Oh, that's what I meant.
Can I cover his face?
Yeah.
Is that hooking him?
Yeah.
It's just on his. Okay, you got him?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm on the hook. I think the line is tangled around him.
Oh, yeah, it is. We're going to cut it right there.
Here. Where?
See, it's going around right here. Okay. that loose.
Okay, there we go. Set him free. Free, Stanley. Don't do that again. Now we're at a spot off the Manatee River. You see it's an old dock that was beat up from the hurricanes. We've had some luck here before. Some redfish. I think we caught a snook once, but we've also caught catfish. So let's see what we get into here. Nice, there we go. We got a trout, another species. We've only been here like, how long? About 2 minutes?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Jesse with the 10-second fish.
Oh, yeah.
I'll make sure I'm not getting a bite behind me. Nice trout.
Oh, yeah.
Jesse with fish number 2, mangrove snapper.
Oh, yeah.
Our species list is going up. Nice.
So
We're just throwing out to these old pilings right here. Let's see what else we can get. I got a greenback out there. I got a big old piece of cut bait out here. It's somewhat... Oh man, is it off? Ah, somebody had it in its mouth. That was a weird tug. I gotta reset this thing. Big smelly piece of ladyfish.
Broken apart like pieces of shattered glass, like a blanket of snow, an eye of the storm into shall pass. Broken wind.
Well. Not a bad day, right?
No, not too bad.
I think we caught 5 species. We had started with the blue runner and the Spanish mackerel, then snook. Then you got the trout and the mangrove.
Mangrove, yeah.
Yeah. So 5 isn't bad. Could have been a little bit better, but had a few low spots, but not a bad day fishing.
Shocking. No catfish or ladyfish.
Exactly. Summer's coming up though, so it's only a matter of time. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.
Time will mend itself.